So for this project, I decided that I really wanted to feature something that had bright and brilliant colors, and I thought of the Cuban Painted Snail. Cuban Painted Snails are a species of air-breathing land snails named because of the colorful stripes on their back look as if they were painted on. They're native to Cuba, where they live in mangrove forests. They come in a wide variety of colors, and I mean a wide variety, but unfortunately these snails are in danger of extinction due to the gathering and illegal trade of wild populations in order to sell them as pets or use their shells as jewelry. This man is aiming to save the snails by collecting plastic water bottles left on the ground by tourists and using them as homes for the snails, where he then studies them to get a better idea of their breeding behaviors. But onto my project. So I don't exactly have an art background. The last proper art class I was in the 5th grade, but I did take photography in high school. So in a picture, when you would focus on something small, the background becomes blurred. So what I did after sketching out what I wanted this piece to look like was just select some greens and browns and various earth tones and then use a blur effect to get all those colors to blend together. I started out by adding just big blocks of color for each object on the piece. I then went back and started adding little details, like texture on the bark and shadows. Highlights and little lines on the snail shells. So to finish off the piece, I added a frame and added the scientific name of the snail by drawing over a font. And that's how I made this project.